How to use Google Meet on iPhone. So if you want to use Google Meet on your iPhone, then what you need to do is first, you need to make sure that you have a stable internet connection. After that, you need to open up your App Store, and from your App Store, you need to just go with search and search for Google Meet. Once you've searched for Google Meet, if you've not downloaded the application, you need to just go and download it. Once you've downloaded, you need to tap on Open and then go and select an account that you would like to use and go with Continue, which will be on the bottom. Just wait for a few seconds and it will be done. So go with Get Started, which will be on the right side, and allow the camera, allow the microphone, and also the contacts. Go and share all of your contacts. Go and tap on Allow. Now, to use your Google Meet, you need to just go and select a person, or just go with New, which will be in the bottom right, and then select a person that you would like to call. So I'll just simply go and select a person. Now, as you can see, you'll have Continue button, which will be on the bottom. Tap on Continue. After that, you will have a video option. If you want to turn on your video, you'll be able to turn it on, or if you want to turn off, you need to just tap on it. And then you will have the audio or the microphone button. You can turn that on if you want the other person to have your audio. Now you'll be able to make an audio call or a video call. So if you want a video call, you need to just simply go with video, which will be on the bottom, or you'll be able to use Google Meet by a code. You can go with New, which will be on the bottom, and then you will have Create Link button or Schedule or a group call. You can go with Create Link and you'll have the link right here, or you'll be able to join a meeting if you have a link. After entering the code, you'll have the join option, which will be on the bottom, and you'll be able to join. That's how you can use Google Meet on your iPhone. And if you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.